What's up, guys? This is Andrew coming to you today. I'm going to show you how to reset or put in a new code for your garage door keypad. All right, let's go. All you do is come over to your garage door opener. The motor that's mounted right here on mine is the learn button. You would press and hold the learn button. All right, the garage light will blink or flash. You just come over here and then you enter the new code you want to put in. Boom. There we have it. Easy breezy. You press it again. Voila. You want to give them a thumbs up? You gonna do this? Give them a thumbs up. Both. Please like and subscribe.